Hi, this is John with WTI, and I'm here with, I would say, my favorite chocolate bar, protein chocolate bar that I've ever tried. This is the FITCRUNCH chocolate chip bar, and it's just great. I'm gonna tell you why. First of all, this makes you full like if you had a whole meal. When you eat this, you're gonna feel like you had a whole oatmeal with chocolate and chocolate chips, and it's gonna make you feel full. The other day, I even had breakfast with it, and I wasn't eating until what 2 p.m. This is fooling, and at the same time, it gives you all these nice benefits. It's not so high in sugar. It's 30 grams of protein. This is like having a protein shake, but just with a nice protein bar. So as I play basketball, play football, or when I do some go to the gym, having a protein bar like this is just awesome, I would say. And the flavor, the taste, 10 out of 10 for me. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point.